Anyị nakwa ikolo mmụọ.
Welcome to another Onye series with Igbo, Ikolo. Today I want to discuss or to show you people the key prayer items, important prayer items in Igbo Omenani. You know, people say Omenani is demonic, that Omenani is satanic. They say all manner of things about Igbo traditional religion. Today I want to show you these key prayer items, the essential things, the basic things you cannot do without. Then I'll allow you to make the judgment to decide if these items, if there is anything demonic or satanic about them. The first most important prayer item in Igbo is Nzu. Nzu is gotten from the ground, some from the water. It symbolizes purity. The Igbos believe that if you come to someone's house and the person refuses to offer you Nzu or Oje, then it means the person did not welcome you. So Nzu shows hospitality. It's a symbol of purity. The whiteness, Ocha, is a symbol of purity. In Igbo, while praying, an Igbo man takes the Nzu, either pieces it and throws it for his chi and Ndishi, or makes a straight line with it, or some make dots with this. And they say something like, Chimbia Manzu, Ndị ichie ebe nna m bịa ma nzu, ife na-emelụ m ife bịa ma nzu. Mmụọ ndị obodo m na-echekwa obodo m bịa ma nzu. Ife na-ejere ozu bịa ma nzu. That means you are blessing these particular forces. You are giving them honor by asking them to come and partake of this nzu. Then if the person finishes, the person can decide to rub some on his eyes. This one is a cosmetic approach to the prayer. Though some people assign some spiritual connotation to it by saying that it makes them to see the spirit. But basically, rubbing the Nzu on the eye is just a cosmetic approach to Igbo prayer. Now, as you can see this is nature. There is nothing satanic about it. The second important item is Oje, the kola nut. As you can see it, there is what they call Oji Igbo. You don't use every form of kola nut. It's not any form of kola nut you use. We do not pray with bitter kola nut, with bitter kola. There is a type of kola nut that is called bitter kola. We don't pray with it as in Igbo. You don't pray to your chi or to your ndishi, to any this thing with bitter kola nut, with bitter kola. But you can offer a guest bitter kola, depending on the type of guest. If it's a serious guest, the guest will frown upon such gesture. You also do not offer your guest, or you do not pray with what we call Ojiausa. Basically, because that one we call Ojiausa or Goro is only two lobe. Because Igbos are particular about once you break a kola nut, every kola nut has something it's saying. If you want to break the kola nut and it cannot be broken, it's whole. There is no cotyledon. There is no lobe in it. It means that Oji is dumb. We call it in Igbo, Oji dalobi. You don't pray with such kola nut. You throw it away. And when you want to break the kola nut, once it's Oji Igbo, and it's two, it can mean some certain things. To some people, it means if an azazo. To some, it can mean covenant. So it now depends on the person, the type of prayer he's offering. If he was also throw it away or bring another Oji. But at least the kola nut has said something. Because the kola nut must say something. Now, there is 3. That's 3 signifies strength. If it's 4, like the one I'm holding now, if you break this one I'm holding now, it is 4. You see it. You see it. It's 4. Afianano bosinano. You can break some, it will be 5. Fertility. You can break some, it will be 6. Double ikenga. You can break some, it will be 7. The highest is 7. 7 is the godlike state. It's rare to see an orgy that it's 7. So some people believe, generally Igbos believe that if you break the kola, it is 7. You have to kill a cock for the kola. A cock has to be killed to appreciate what has happened. So as you can see, kola nut is natural. There is nothing satanic in this thing. This is nature. It's gotten from nature. There is nothing satanic or demonic about nature. It's part of what the gods had created, or part of what God created, what nature created. It's just that our people appropriated it as one of their prayer items, as one of their sacred prayer items. So after breaking the kola nut, the person can offer to his chi and say, Chi, nenkeru. He can offer to the Indishi, can offer to whatever he wants to offer, and now partake of it. This is our own form of communion. We do not use bread for communion. We do not use waffles for communion. This is our own part of our own communion. Our Igbo people say, no, nkodo namba na egelo mbanni. Nkodo namba na egelo mbanni. That means it is what people have in their own place that they use to prepare their own food. Now another sacred prayer item is alligator pepper. Our people call it usoji. Usoji is used mainly. This one is not yet opened. If you want to open it as an Igbo man, you do not open usoji in front, from the front. You take it behind your back to open it. Why? Igbos believe that in Joade many rodogu, that bad things cannot happen in front of a great person. If you consider yourself great and you do not want bad things to happen in your front, you now take the usoji to your back. What it means is that no evil shall happen in your front. And you break it. Now, people, usoji is used. Some we use it to eat kola nuts. Then we also use it for cleansing. We also use it for cleansing. Njocha. If you feel that you are unclean, before you step in to pray, you can use some seed of this alligator pepper. Look at the seed. You can use some of the seeds of the alligator pepper to do what? To clean yourself. Some people use water to clean themselves. That is their own purification item. Our own purification item is this alligator pepper, usoji. Some eat it. And like I said, some use it to clean themselves and throw it away. This is also natural. It's part of nature. It's gotten from nature. Obura Kamelo. It's not man-made. Now, another prayer item is Edo. Depending. Some people do not use Edo. Some people do not fancy it. Some people value it. Depending on the side of Igbo land. Some people are just comfortable with usoji. With the nzu and the kola nut. Whereas some people use this Edo. Well, Edo is man-made. It's an akamelo. Maybe that's why it is not that popular. Now we have hot drink. The reason they use hot drink to pray is because hot drink signifies happiness. Even a certain religious book accepted that give those who want to be happy drink so that they will be merry and forget their sorrows. So alcohol, not beer, hot drink like this, that's what we use. For example, those who are not even in their homeland, who are abroad, that wants to pray and they do not have access to kola nut, they do not have access to uzu, alligator pepper, some of these things that are homegrown. You can get a hot drink like this and call on your chi, pour libation to your chi, ask your chi to come and take, ask your ndishi to come and take. You do communion with them with this hot drink, despite it's man-made. Igbos say alawotu. Anywhere you call on your ancestors, if you like being in the Caribbean, if you like being in Europe, if you like being in America, if you like being in Far East Asia, you can use this hot drink to call on your ancestors and tell them to come so that you celebrate with them. You can do it every morning from the comfort of your hotel room, from the comfort of your room, anywhere. Now, the last prayer item is our musical items. Musical items. So, how we use it in the morning is that before you start, you use it to summon the spirits. To inform them that you have arrived. To get their attention. And you make your prayers. If it's this one, the essence of it in your morning prayer is just to use it to call the attention of the people, the unseen beings that you want to speak with. It's a kind of summoning the spirits to inform them of your presence, to ask for their audience, for them to grant you audience to come before their presence. That is just it. So as you can see, these prayer items, there is nothing satanic, there is nothing demonic about them. Once you start having an open mind towards the ways of your people, you will see that there is nothing bad about it. They are following spirituality. They are trying to worship God in their own way, in the way which is unique to them. Thank you.
If you love the video you will just watch, please like and subscribe, and also share the video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video if you love it. Thank you.
Anyị nakwa n'obi ikolo mo.